Hey guys, it's been about 6 days since I've put out an update. I haven't had very much time, so I wasn't able to put out very much of an update, I guess, on this video, but it definitely is one of a major update. I think I might have put about 1 or 2 hours of work into this, I think, just through debugging and whatnot on what's been wrong with it. But press play. Right now, there's no sprites on there. Frame rate significantly lower because I capped it on 60. Well, actually, it's set to your resolution of your screen, not resolution, set to the frame rate of your screen. But basically, when you start out with no default sprite, you click sprite, it'll add a new one with a default picture of 0. And then it'll say click away from the sprite to stop editing, and it'll say currently editing X, and then if you press the up arrow, it says Y, rotation, and image. Now image, there's only 2 images I've loaded so far, and that's the plate image and then the bullet image. If you use the bullet image, everything gets thrown off on here and it looks all weird, and I think I'm going to make it so that you can't choose that as one of the images. But let's see how it works. Rotation. So you type in a numerical value that has less than 5 or 5 or less numbers, like place values. So let's say you want the rotation to be 90, so you put 90.0, and then you can press enter, or you can just put in another 0, and it puts the rotation at 90. And then negative 90, negative 9, 0.0, and then it puts it at that. And then, so let's put that back at 0. And then you can change the X and Y, 100, enter, 100, and then the Y, let's put it at 250. So you can do stuff like that, and then when you click away, maybe not. I just tested this like 10 seconds ago. If you click on this right. Alright, well, something's going all funky. Let's see. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with it at all. What? I clicked on the spread, that shouldn't have happened. Okay, so basically, when you add a new sprite, it'll I found a bug. I'll fix it later, but it'll become a normal sprite until you sprite ID 0. Click on a new sprite ID 1, and you currently added all this stuff. You click away from it. You can drag it. These are all independent sprites that you can use. You can have as many of these as you'd like. I'm looking to maybe cap it eventually, so I can't just add a billion sprites, but ended up pressing sprite enter, sprite enter, sprite enter, sprite enter like a billion times, and I think I got like, well, not a billion, that's an exaggeration, but I think I ended up getting like 53 sprites, and it just completely filled up my screen. Frame rate went down slightly because of all the different renderings and stuff, because there was also some of the weird like rotation stuff going on that I wanted to test. But yeah, basically you can add as many sprites as you like and drag them all across the screen. So it's not much. I'm going to add events, and I'm going to add textures. Right now I do have a current frame texture thing. Notice how it says sprite ID 12. So the ID works, so you can use that for references for your event stuff. But what was I talking about? I do have a current event, or current frame kind of thing going on, where I'm slowly implementing the current frame of the game, so you'll have a little slider down here that you can slide and it'll like fly through the game time. I decided that is going to be in frames because it makes it a lot easier on me to do that, and then everything's kind of dependent on what frame you are in the game so far. So I'm going to be doing that. I guess that's it for what I've added for now. I don't really have much I've actually added to this because, like I said, I've only gotten a little bit of time into it, and I'm still kind of debugging certain things like the glitch you saw earlier. So I'll I'll try to put out videos every once in a while, because I know that there are a couple people who are liking what I'm doing right now, which actually shows me that people care, and it's making me want to do it more. So thanks for caring, I guess. So if you like what you see and want to see more, then please subscribe and like my videos. I appreciate it a lot. Thanks.